Hello, we're going to review this Schwinn Crewmaster rowing machine, and I'm probably just like you. I want a low impact, easy to do workout without breaking the wallet. Let's see if it's good or not. Alright, so here we are. I'm not in the proper attire, but we're gonna go ahead and set this thing up. The first thing you might want to do is just select your difficulty. Let's go ahead and start on 5. It's from 0 or 1 to 10. And it's that simple. The bar is already set up. And we want to go ahead and adjust the feet. So you'll either go up or down. I'm going to put it in number 5. You can loosen these straps very easily. It's the same thing like as a helmet strap or a stroller strap. Very simple. Go ahead and slide your feet in. Make sure you're wearing shoes. I've tried this out without shoes. It doesn't feel good. You're not going to want to do it for a long period of time. So keep that you should wear shoes with this device. Also, pay particular attention to my feet. This device is made so that you can lift up your feet when you're coming back in like that. That is actually how you're supposed to do it. But let's go ahead and clamp this down. Just pull the string tight. I'm now in there. You'll notice, look, I can pull my foot out of my shoe way before my shoe actually comes out. So it's a fairly secure fit, but it's gonna depend on what kind of footwear you're wearing. So hopefully you have some options out there. Now we have our difficulty, we have this. You wanna go and hit the stop button. There's this little red button on here to clear. You'll hear that beeping noise. If you wanna use the heart rate monitor, you need to buy a little heart rate band. They're like 20, 30, 40 bucks. And you put it around your abdomen and it will go ahead and communicate with this and show you your heartbeat live. The other thing you might want to do is set up some sort of entertainment. I have a little music stand here with my favorite Netflix or videos on it, so I can hit play. Maybe you want to wear some headphones, you could do that as well, or listen to some music. This thing does not do any of that. It's simply just going to give you different notifications for your workout. And again, remember this can rotate, so you can go all the way, this goes up and down, and then this whole bar goes up and down. So this is about good for me, I can see. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, how to use the machine. Definitely wear better pants than this. Wear workout clothing. But here we go, you just grab it, try to keep your back straight, and then push off with your feet, and you're gonna pull in with your arms at the same time. Off with your feet and your arms in. And you don't want to necessarily lock your knees. You don't want to like lock them down each time. Same thing like when you're riding a bicycle. You don't ever want to lock your joints. But you'll notice that you're getting a bicep workout, you're getting a back workout, and you're getting a leg workout all at the same time. And again, the thing that I found myself doing a lot when I first started doing this was pulling it into my back, like using my back to, like going backwards on my back. You can really hurt your back that way. Try to keep your back in a similar position and use your legs and your arms. Look how quiet this is. I'm not modifying the sound at all. The camera, the microphone is actually closer to the machine than it is to my mouth. And you can't even hear it. So there you go. This is the Schwinn Crewmaster. It works. It's fine. No bells and whistles, but it works. 300-pound capacity. I'm about 180, 185 on a bad day. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You just pull out your feet, boom. If you want to fold it up, you can, and you're done. That's it. So really quick, as far as portability, there's a little switch about halfway through the railing here. You pull it out, and this thing comes up and snaps into place there. And so it's about 5 feet, you can't even see it in the video, it's about 5 feet high now. It goes about 5 feet high there. And once you get it on the wheels, about here, you just wheel it around. Wheel it where you want. So you can see, it'll about go half the length to really save you some space if you want to store it. Might fit in the closet, but it's a nice little feature. And then here, if you ran into it, you know, I don't think it would hurt anyone that much. To go ahead and unfold it, we just pull the latch, comes on down, and you're ready to go. Look how quiet that is. So I don't know how it is for you all, but entertainment is key. As much as I would love to see the calories I'm burning as I go. By the way, I can take off this screen protector. I will eventually. I don't know if I'm ready yet. Don't pressure me. So it's very quiet. You can adjust it. The foot pegs are adjustable as well. You should wear shoes. But now, as far as entertainment, I just set a timer. I get it to a good resistance that I like, and I want to just do it for 30 minutes, an hour, and not think about it. My number one recommendation is it doesn't actually have any kind of infotainment, but the cheapest thing is just put a chair and put your iPad or whatever on a chair. The second thing, my favorite thing to do, is get a music stand. They're great. They're adjustable. You can rotate it. They're fairly stable. They don't take up a lot of space. You can push them down into, you know, nothing. The viewing angle, you don't have to worry about it like falling down like when you use a chair. And then the other idea I had was, you know, either mounting something here to just put something on top, or you can just use good old-fashioned clamps. All right, or you can go with the old rubber clamps or double-sided tape or something like that. And now I can be rowing and, you know, easily go through to YouTube. Oh, what else does this guy have? Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's check out this video, full screen it, and then you could do it. Oh, this part's boring. Let me fast forward. Oh yeah, I'm getting a really good rip on this one. And pretty good, right? You can move the clamps around. This is just still a concept. If you just have a music stand, that will work, you know, really well. So at this point, you probably have a good idea of this machine. Remember, it's a good mid-range machine. I was looking at the Concept 2, but they're over $1,200. And yes, they're different machines, the way the actual mechanism works and things like that, but Schwinn makes very decent average products. They make decent bikes, they make decent workout equipment, nothing special. You can see there the adjustability in your feet. Here you can see the adjustability in the resistance. 10 wasn't that hard for me. I'm a bigger guy, but at the same time, like when you repeatedly are rowing, it's a really good workout. So if you're looking to actually like build muscle, you know, you should be investing in like a Bowflex or something like that. But for, you know, cardio, this is very, very good, and it's somewhat enjoyable. And it's not a full body workout, but a low impact, pretty close to a not a full body but partial body workout. Here are the different modes. As I mentioned, the other thing, I believe you can also use a smartwatch. Some of the newer smartwatches will Bluetooth into this as well, so you might want to look up the specs on that. But that's the display there. So anyways, that's the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.